Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Wednesday 12th August 2020 and before starting today's lesson let's review what we did on Tuesday 11th August 2020. As you know that every Tuesday there is a homework given to you in the diary, and as homework this one worksheet was given to you to complete that and to label the different mountain ranges of Pakistan. So I'm sure आप सब ने इसको complete कर लिया होगा. Let's take a look at this. ये आपके पास worksheet थी, इसमें आपके पास different mountain ranges थी जो दी हुई थी और आपने इसको label करना था on the map of Pakistan. Kirthar range, Suleiman range, the Great Himalayas, Karakoram, Hindu Kush, Safed Ko. These are the different mountain ranges, and let's see. This is Karakoram, Himalaya, Suleiman, Kirthar range, Hindu Kush, Safed Ko. In our previous lesson, we discussed the famous mountain ranges of Pakistan briefly. So this was the worksheet. I'm sure आप सब ने ये worksheet as homework complete कर ली होगी. All right. Now let's begin today's lesson. So for this one, let's review the important points regarding Himalayas that we discussed in our previous lesson. We discussed that Himalayas are located in the northeast part of Pakistan, and Himalayan mountain system stretches across the 6 countries. And now let's open up the book. All right. Book page number 25, Mountains of Pakistan, and we started this one chapter number 5, Mountains of Pakistan, and so far हमने इसमें जो famous mountain ranges हैं, that is Himalaya, Karakoram, Hindu Kush, Safed Ko, Waziristan Hills, Suleiman Mountains, Kirthar Range, Toba Kakkar Mountains and Salt Range, इनको हमने discuss किया था, and we located these mountain ranges on the map of Pakistan. Let's review that as well. This is the atlas book, and here you see that this is the compass rose. You see north, south, east and west, right? And the Himalayas are located in the northeastern part, right? This is the north. You see, this is the direction. Compass rose is showing us the direction northeastern part, right? Northeastern parts, and this is the Himalaya. Let me show you closely. These are the Himalayas. You see, these are the Himalayas. These are the this direction is northeastern part of Pakistan. You see, this is the Himalaya, Karakoram range, Hindu Kush range, Safed Ko, Suleiman range, Kirthar range. You see, this is Toba Kakkar range. So these are the different mountain ranges, and these are the famous mountain ranges of Pakistan. So we located these ranges on Tuesday, and now let's discuss the main features of Karakoram mountain and Hindu Kush mountain. So open up your book page number 26. All right, this is the book page number 26. We will highlight the main information, the basic information as well. So Karakoram range, after Himalayan range, the Karakoram range, you see, this is the Karakoram range. This is a picture of K2, the second highest peak of the world. It is located in Karakoram range, and Karakoram means black gravel. Gravel means the stone, the small stone. I would like you to let me show you closely. Gravel. Karakoram means black gravel. Gravel means small stone, you say. Small stone. Please write down the meaning as well. And it is a mass of rock and ice. These mountains extend from Hunza to Shark River. The average height of these mountains is 8,611 meters. So this is the important information regarding MCQs, fill in the blanks or true false. The average mountain, the average height of these mountains located in Karakoram is 8,611 meters. ये इनकी height है, and the second highest peak of the world, K2, is located here. This is a very famous mountain range. माउंटेन जिसको बहुत से माउंटेनियर्स जो है वो क्लाइंब करने की कोशिश करते हैं, एंड वी आर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट कि ये कराकरम में है. And these mountains also have glaciers, and Sachin Glacier is more than 70 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग, वो भी इसी माउंटेन रेंज में, कराकोरम माउंटेन रेंज में located है. So Sachin Glacier is more than 70 kilometer long and the climate of Karakoram is extremely inhospitable. Inhospitable means that is not friendly and not welcoming. एक ऐसा atmosphere, एक ऐसा climate जो वहाँ पे residents के लिए, living के लिए बिल्कुल भी hospitable नहीं है. Inhospitable, not welcoming. Please write down the meaning as well. कि यहाँ पे अगर survive करना हो humans ने, तो यहाँ का जो क्लाइमेट है वो ह्यूमंस के रहने के लिए किसी तरह से भी सूटेबल और अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं है. इट्स एक्सट्रीमली हार्श. ये यहाँ पे बहुत अनप्लेजेंट है वेदर, क्योंकि इट्स डेडली कोल्ड एंड ड्यूरिंग समर द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इज़ ईजी एंड कम्युनिकेशन इज़ पॉसिबल, बट इन विंटर इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल टू सर्वाइव in these harsh conditions due to extremely inhospitable weather. क्योंकि यहाँ पे cold weather होता है, extremely cold weather है, जिसमें survival जो है that is very difficult. And after this let's recall the main points of Karakoram range, right? The Karakoram means black gravel, and the average height of the mountains located here is 8,600 meters, and the second highest peak K2 is located in this one range, and Siachen Glacier is more than 70 kilometer long, and the climate of Karakoram mountain range is inhospitable, which is not suitable for survival actually. Next we have Hindu Kush range. The Hindu Kush range has numerous high snow-capped peaks. Hindu Kush range में आप ये देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे numerous means many and you can say that it's not easy to count. यहाँ पे इतनी ज़्यादा जो है वो snow covered peaks हैं, इतनी ज़्यादा height है यहाँ पे, इतनी mountain ranges हैं, बहुत high हैं, जो snow covered हैं, बिल्कुल स्नो से कवर हुई हुई होती हैं. एंड द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट इन हिंदू कुश is called Trichmir in Chitral, which is located in district Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and you can say that there are passes in Hindu Kush range which have been important, and since ancient times Lawari Pass connects Chitral with Dir. ये जो हमारे passes हैं इनके बारे में further information है हम अपने upcoming lessons में discuss करेंगे. So this is the key point of this one mountain range, that this mountain range Hindu Kush has numerous high snow-capped peaks, and the highest point in Hindu Kush range is called Trichmir. You see Trichmir, and which is located in Chitral district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, right? And some of the areas here in this one mountain range Hindu Kush, however used for cultivation of rice. यहाँ पे कुछ इसके एरियाज इस तरह से भी आते हैं कि वहाँ पे राइस की कल्टिवेशन की जा सकती है. वहाँ पे उसको राइस की वहाँ पे क्रॉप्स हैं जहाँ पे उसकी कल्टिवेशन होती है. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट वी हैव आफ्टर Karakoram Hindu Kush we have Safed Ko. As you can understand by its name, Safed means white, एंड कोह जो है उर्दू में हम माउंटेन्स को, पहाड़ों को भी कहते हैं. सो सफ़ेद को मीन्स वाइट माउंटेन. यू सी, सफ़ेद को मीन्स वाइट माउंटेन्स, एंड द अदर नेम फॉर दिस वन माउंटेन रेंज सफ़ेद को, इसका जो दूसरा नेम है जिससे ये फेमस है, इट इज़ ऑल्सो फेमस बाय द नेम ऑफ स्पिनघर. सो स्पिनघर इज़ द सेकेंड नेम फॉर दिस वन माउंटेन रेंज सफ़ेद को. Right, first we discussed Himalayas, Great Himalayas, then we discussed Karakoram, Hindu Kush, and now Safed Ko. Safed Ko का एक important feature ये है that this mountain range is a natural border between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Let me show you the atlas map. Alright, yes, you see this is the map of Pakistan, and there are neighboring countries of Pakistan: China, India, Iran, and Afghanistan. You see, this is Afghanistan, right? Afghanistan is one of the neighboring country of Pakistan. And Safed Ko, you see, this is the Safed Ko mountain range, and this mountain range, you see, I told you, I have explained you in my previous lessons that we always study a map with the help of keys. We improve our map reading skills with these keys, because ये keys हमें help करती हैं कि कहाँ पे क्या चीज़ located है. You see this green box, then yellow, it indicates desert, this mountain, ये जो है इंडिकेट करता है माउंटेन को. ये जो ब्लू लाइन है, इट इंडिकेट्स रिवर, देन इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्री, प्रोविंशियल बाउंड्री एंड लेक. सो यहाँ पे ये जो माउंटेन का साइन है, ये हमारे मैप पे हमें हेल्प करता है टू अंडरस्टैंड द लोकेशन ऑफ मैप. सो दिस इज़ द नेबरिंग कंट्री ऑफ अफगानिस्तान एंड दिस इज़ द माउंटेन रेंज ऑफ सफ़ेद को. यू सी, सो दिस माउंटेन रेंज इज़ ऑल्सो फेमस फॉर forming a natural boundary between Afghanistan and Pakistan. So this is the main feature of सफ़ेद को. सफ़ेद को जो mountain range है, इसका main feature ये है कि ये natural formation देता है boundary को. ये आप देख रहे हैं, ये natural boundary है. ये आप you can see that if I'll show you, if I'm gonna show you the closer look, ये mountain ranges हैं और ये boundary बना रही है किसमें, अफ़गानिस्तान और पाकिस्तान में. So we can say that Safed Ko is a mountain range which forms a natural border between Pakistan and Afghanistan. This one information is very important regarding MCQs, that you can be asked the short question or MCQ. आपके पास options आ सकते हैं that which mountain range forms a natural border between Pakistan and Afghanistan, and you can and you will be given with the options Karakoram, Hindu Kush or Safed Ko. So you will simply choose Safed Ko because this is the only mountain range that forms the natural boundary between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Alright, now the main another key point of Safed Ko is that the closest city of Safed Ko is Para Chanar. Para Chanar के नज़दीक जो closest, करीब तरीक, नज़दीक तरीन city है, शहर है, that is Para Chanar. So you have to highlight this one information as well, that which one city is the closest city of Safed Ko, right? Or Para Chanar is the closest city of which one mountain range. So you can be you will be given with the options और आप उसको correct options को choose करेंगे MCQs में, true false में और fill in the blanks में. Alright, so these are the main points related to Karakoram mountain range, Hindu Kush and Safed Ko. Alright, so you have to read the information and you have to learn the highlighted points as well. So that's how you will prepare your you will learn the information given on book page number 26 regarding mountain ranges, Karakoram, Hindu Kush and Safed Ko. Alright, thank you very much. Look after yourself. Stay home, stay safe.